Yo, hello guys, welcome back to Setsu Work channel. Today we're gonna build a jig for a golf 1 with the front mesh. It's for the nose panel, so we're gonna build a jig by someone special, one of my buddies. We're gonna drive till there now. I wanted to take the Polo, but this thing is too heavy on petrol, so I'm gonna spend at least 400, 600 rand just on petrol to go there and come back. So we're gonna take my daily, and yeah, stay tuned. We by BLG headquarters now. We already set up for to building the jig on the Golf. So yeah, so we got this lugs, and then we're gonna weld. Then we're gonna put each lug on each hole for the round bar to weld on to build the jig, and from there we're gonna put a stronger support on them so that it can be stronger. The Golf is a front mesh, the panel, so we just cut it randomly, and we need to get the proper size and get the alignment properly on the Golf 1. On the front panel we're gonna weld and put on. If there's not gonna be a jig or anything, nothing will line up. The fenders won't line up, bonnet won't line up, and everything will just skew. So guys, this is the finished product of the jig. As you guys can see, we use all of the mounting points where the bolts go in for the fender and the support for the radiator as well. It's not the prettiest, but it will get the job done.
Good. I've been asking this guy to make YouTube content for probably 7 years now, because he's always doing cool shit. So if you guys enjoy seeing stuff like this as much as I love watching videos like this, subscribe to this channel, man. Don't be so.
So guys, we are home from S1 BLG headquarters. As you guys can see, we've already cut here, so we're just gonna put the jig quick and set up everything for a new front nose panel. So we fitted the jig already. As you guys can see, it's lining up on this side here, and here by the sock tower, but this side it's not lining up. So we have to hammer and push it in a bit so that all the holes can line up here. So yeah guys, this is how far we got with the front panel. Just a few adjustments needs to be made just on that side, because as you can see it's a bit lower. The panel is sitting lower than that side on the body. And yeah, but this side is lining up. Just gonna cut and weld pieces of plates in, and then we can fit fenders, the bumpers and all of that stuff. Yes guys, so this is how far we have come. So we welded this one pillar here and fitted this plate here as well. Storm, can you quickly explain them? How did I show you to put in that plates, what you must use?
Right. Cardboard, and yeah, and then we had to use the pin to mark it out, and then use the plates. Yeah, and that's all. Cool.
As you guys can see, we fitted the plates here. Sun is just making a bit nonsense here, but yeah, I know it looks ugly, but we're gonna grind it flat so that it can look even. So yeah, so we fitted the plates, and you can just hammer it down just to get the shape of how it must go. We did the exact same on that side, and we fitted the fenders here on as well. That was on here. All of the holes, they line up even with the shape, but I'm a bit unhappy with that side here. So we're gonna drill a hole and just take the vice grip and clamp them together and take them. I just want to thank S1 at BLG for allowing me to build a jig on this golf. Yeah, there's gonna be part one of this build. As we are waiting for the fenders, the bumpers, all of that stuff. And if you guys like what you see, please like, comment and subscribe. Hello guys, welcome back to you.
Al wat zij kan doen, als hem niet te zien. Oké, weet je wat? Kom eens kijken hier voor me.
Guys, so this is the finished product of the jig. As you guys can see, we use all of the amount, the
Yo guys, alsjeblieft. You guys, wacht, volg me niet. That is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys didn't like. That is the ending of this video, guys. I hope you like.